How to fix Fiverr verification code problem. If you're having trouble with Fiverr verification code, you can follow up this method. So first thing you can do is head over to Fiverr, open it up, and once you open up your Fiverr application, the thing is you need to ensure that you have entered the correct phone number in Fiverr. So when you're logging in Fiverr, just go ahead and ensure that you are using the correct phone number in which you're trying to receive the verification code. Once that is done, you may close up your Fiverr application. And then once you close up your Fiverr, you may just go ahead and update your Fiverr. So go over and look for Play Store application on your device. After that, go to the search, look for Fiverr in the search, and then ensure that you are using the latest version of the Fiverr app that is installed. After that, you can try restarting your phone as it can often resolve the temporary glitches. So just go ahead and do that. And once that is done, you can just go ahead and make sure your phone can receive SMS. So you can try sending a text message from another phone number into your Fiverr or the phone number that you're using on your device to check if you are receiving any kind of SMS or not. After that is done, you can try switching up between Wi-Fi and mobile data if in order to see if it is because of the connection issues, the internet connection issues. So go over and open up your settings. After that, go over the connections and look for Wi-Fi or mobile data that you're using and ensure that it is working properly to see if the code arrives on either of the network. If that doesn't work, you can just go ahead and reach out to Fiverr's support assistance for further assistance after that. And if you made an error in entering your phone number, you can just try changing it. So that's it for now. You may also follow up the same process in order to fix it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.